Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of those frustrating engine codes that can pop up unexpectedly, the P0022 error code. This one refers to camshaft position timing over retarded on bank 2. If your check engine light is on and your scanner is pulling up P0022, don't worry. We'll walk you through how to diagnose and fix it. First, let's break down what this code means. P0022 indicates that the camshaft timing on bank 2 is over-retarded or delayed, which means it's not advancing as it should. This can cause your vehicle to run poorly, affect fuel efficiency, and even lead to more serious engine damage if left unresolved. Faults in the oil control valve. The powertrain control module might get damaged. Engine timing may be out of sync. Some sort of internal damage in the ECM. Crankshaft or camshaft sensor can start malfunctioning. Engine oil sludge. A short or open circuit in the VVT, OCV, or VCT circuit. Defects in the intake camshaft position actuator solenoid. Check engine light illuminated. Affect engine performance at higher RPMs. Reduce fuel economy and engine performance. Affect engine idle quality. Fail an emission inspection. OBD scanner, multimeter. Wrench set or socket set, screwdriver. Brake cleaner or electrical contact cleaner. Rags or clean cloth, replacement camshaft position actuator. Engine oil, work gloves. Locate the oil drain plug. It's usually on the bottom of the engine. Use your socket set to loosen the plug. Place the oil drain pan underneath to catch the old oil. Carefully remove the drain plug and let the old oil drain completely while the oil is draining. It's a good time to inspect the plug and washer for any signs of wear or damage. Now, let's replace the oil filter. Using your oil filter wrench, loosen and remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, lubricate the rubber gasket with a bit of fresh oil. Screw on the new filter hand tight. With the old oil drained and the new filter in place, it's time to add fresh oil. Consult your car's manual for the correct oil capacity and type. Pour it in using a funnel to avoid spills. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Then, turn it off and check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if needed and recheck until you reach the correct level. Don't forget to dispose of the old oil properly. Most auto parts stores accept used oil for recycling. Never dump it in the trash or down the drain. Locate the camshaft oil control valve. Depending on your vehicle, it's usually mounted on the cylinder head near the camshaft. You'll typically find it bolted to the engine block with an electrical connector attached. Clean the oil control valve using a brake cleaner or electrical contact cleaner spray the valve thoroughly to remove any dirt or sludge buildup. Be sure to clean the valve's filter and any passages. Wipe it down with a clean cloth and let it air dry for a few minutes. If you want to test the valve before reinstallation, use a multimeter to check the resistance across the valve's electrical terminals. The resistance should be within the manufacturer's specifications, usually between 6 to 12 ohms. If the reading is off, it's time to replace the valve. If your inspection or testing revealed that the valve is faulty, now's the time to replace it. Simply install the new camshaft oil control valve in the same spot as the old one, following the same steps for securing the bolts and reconnecting the harness. Once everything's been cleaned, repaired, or replaced, clear the P0022 code using your OBD-II scanner and take your car for a test drive. And that's it. Fixing the P0022 code doesn't have to be complicated. If you followed these steps, you've likely resolved the issue without needing an expensive trip to the mechanic. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.